I started carving portraits with the chainsaw in January, and at a regional Burning Man festival called Love Burn. As a result, I submitted a proposal to the big Burning Man festival, August 28th through September 5th this year, 2016, and it got accepted. Ziggy, Sawdust, and the Chainsaws from Mars are 5 artists, 4 chainsaw carvers, and 1 AV artist who is our documentarian. This is very physically demanding.
And it's really loud and hot and dirty, whereas pen and ink and Photoshop, not really the same. But yeah, it definitely makes you think about working differently and wielding that chainsaw. It's an interesting process.
We put the torch in the hand of the model at a certain point once we get it to start to glow, so they are essentially burning their own face off. Going back to the idea of being a shaman, being a guide, we are guiding the audience, and in this case the model, who becomes as much of an object of the art as an actual participant, an actual creator.
I'm using the technology to document, but also on the site, as the carvers are carving, they're going to be wearing an action camera, which is feeding to a tablet, so the sitters and the audience can see the perspective of the carver.
We are one of 28 international guilds from around the world. This is my first Burning Man and the crew's first Burning Man as well. This is like rock and roll and stand-up comedy with the chainsaw, all rolled into one.